Hey YouTube, this is my very simple vending machine in the Phun game. I'm running Phun version 5.28, and yeah. This machine is a Coca-Cola machine. Here comes the cola, here you insert the coin, and when the Coca-Cola runs out, you can put some more cola into the machine. So, oops, I forgot to play. Take a coin and put it into the machine, and here comes the cola. Yay! Now for how it works. If it's really simple, this coin is a killer. This is the coin slot thing. When the coin rolls down here, it kills that letting this slide down to this point. Okay, I will show you one time without the shell. Really simple. You can copy it, you don't have to give credits to me. Yeah, like that. Now I can just put in my coin, and I will get a nice can of cola. Okay, please subscribe and yeah, add me to your friend list. I will add you. If you subscribe to me, I will subscribe back. Okay, and the last thing I wanna say is I am soon going to release a new episode of Cooking in Phun. Thanks for watching.